Okay guys, I forgot to take a picture of my craft room floor before I pulled everything out of the room, but I'll show you. I haven't vacuumed yet, so this is my floor space. I still need major vacuuming. I have party stuff from the venue and painting parties, all my party stuff here, and all my linens and some more party stuff there. And I'll show you all the stuff I had on my floor from decorating and YouTube videos. And alright, I plan on painting these little shelves white and putting them, this is a gift basket for family that we didn't get to see for Christmas, but here is all the stuff I pulled out of the floor. Now, these are my current projects right here, so those will probably stay in the box. It's Easter bunnies down there and Easter bunny baskets there. This is my vinyl. I already have a home for that, but the rest of this stuff I have to find place for, and that is the difficult thing. But right now I have to vacuum, and I still have stuff stuffed under here, but these are my home decor. I have lemon decor, bead decor. All my spring decor is under there. So, and since I don't want to end this video on something ugly, these are some other projects that I've been working on. The bunnies and these Easter baskets that I need to put bows on. They're all done except for the bows and the bow ties. This is all the stuff that I took out of my craft room that I'm getting rid of. Some fabrics, some are craft projects, and some are birdhouses, jars, all types of craft projects. But there's 5 containers full. Alright, here's what I still have to find a place for. As you can see, I did get some stuff, but these are now just empty containers other than this one. This one's charger plates, but my floor is vacuumed and it's much cleaner, and I will show you the full reveal later on. Hi guys, this is how I've got my craft room now. I've cleaned off the floor, as you can see. This is my Dollar Tree haul I'm going to be working on soon. My china cabinet. Let me just give you an overview. The closets that I have party stuff on. My hats, vinyl, my heat press, sewing area, lots and lots of flowers that's, you know, I have space for. I use my paints. This is my craft room. So now let me go through all the organizing details. All right, hopefully I don't have a lot of room to move around in here, but hopefully you get an idea. This is where I have all my beads that if I were to do bracelets or necklaces at a birthday party. These have, these are alphabets so they can make name bracelets and name necklaces. And then these are all the beads that they can sift through and make up their own ideas. But I have all of these beads. There's some diamond shaped ones, blue ones, white ones, and then there's some back there that are a darker color that maybe boys would like. And I store all my china, some china down there. Of course, my pretty decor. Okay, my Dollar Tree haul. This is some decor pieces that I made.
She starts chewing on it faster.
And decorating. I have party stuff behind that curtain that you've seen before. My vinyl, I think you've seen that before, that we did with the shower caddies. And then this is the cart that I just did a video on and how I have that organized. It's got my my fingertips for hot glue and my clamps for when I clamp something and I want it to dry without me holding on to it. Paints and glue sticks, all the stuff that would go on top of my workstation that I want to keep my workstation clear. And projects and all my glue and adhesives. And then here I reorganized this a little bit. I have pillows and party stuff. Alright, and then I have my paint caddy. This is the stuff I used in the organizing video that I showed you, the yarn and the stuff that you can use to organize your craft room. I forgot to show you how I organize all my fabrics. I did show you on the video these are the comic book boards that I wrapped my fabric around so that I could organize it. This is all the fabric I have right now. And then my pillow forms that I put in here until I change out and need them. They're all there. Some dresses that I need to mend for parties. And then just some stuff I have, just some sewing stuff I have in those caddies. And then this is my paint. Let me show you that. This is for parties. All of my larger containers of paint. And then paint brushes, rulers, scissors, and extra paint, and tablecloths and paper towels. These are some projects that I've worked on in the past that are done. And just some linens I scooted over to make room. So that is my craft closet. And then I have my heat press there, some flowers, all of my ribbon that I'm working on the Easter stuff. I do not keep it stored there because I have all of my ribbon in these drawers. This is my ribbon drawers and more Valentine ribbon, and then just baggies that I use for organizing. And here I just have extra paint and glitter, just extra stuff. And then this spackle for projects. That's all I have. The top drawer is my sewing projects and sewing. Now, it doesn't look all that neat because it's just stuff that I'm going to be working on. Fabric, just fabric and sewing. And then I have my hot glue gun there. More chenille stems and more twine. And just you know, command strips, tape, paper clips, batteries, extra stuff here. Now, this isn't that pretty, but it's got my current projects that I'm working on right now. But it's nice and organized in those baskets. This is my new chair I bought from Sam's Club. I just bought it because I needed something that rolled and that was more comfortable. All right, I just put some bows on some bunny baskets, and I need to fix 2 more of these Easter baskets. Those are my last Easter bunny baskets that I need to fix for a client. Here's how I organized my the beads that I use more often for my craft. I've got rubber bands, buttons for the Easter bunnies and baskets, pearls and big pearls, and then all of my paints, my thread that I use on my sewing machine right here, and then these I bought at Dollar Tree. They hold all my little sewing notions, nice and cute like. I have my little light here, little charger. So that just holds all of my little items. This is where I do all my vinyl cutting and stuff. And then these are just my tools. My vinyl tools. Sorry if my camera is not always in the right place. Alright, there's that. And this is my paper, my Easter candy, my stash there. All my paper, extra flowers. Now this is new. I had a round one, but I ran out of space on the round one, so I bought this rectangle. Now I will cover this with contact paper, but I wanted you to see all of these little magnetic things I got at Dollar Tree, and they hold all the jewelry making stuff. This is scrapbooking stuff, cutter and little paper cutting items. My twine, I still need 2 more jars to put the twine in. Extra little buttons, I just like the little containers. So I separated my big buttons and the little shaped buttons. Novelty buttons, I keep there, and I have the big one back there. All my glitter and more, my funnel, scrapbooking, paper shapes. This is where I keep all my markers. I have all these little clear drawers to hold stuff. These are empty because I plan on using them for things. This is for all my little scrap pieces of paper. It keeps it nice and neat. This is my Bible study and note taking. When I watch videos, I take notes. When I watch Bible studies, I take notes. When I go to church, I take notes. My TV remotes, which I got to show you this. These are those ring holders that go on your phone. You can put them on your remotes and put a command hook on the side. I have not put the command hook yet up to hang it on, but you put command hooks and you can hang your remotes so you don't lose them, like this. They can hang on a nail or a hook, but that's a great organizing tip for you guys. Alright, my computer and printer. This vinyl is what I was working with. And more excessive flowers. My aromatherapy and my silhouette. And this is just my craft table I use for videos, but I wanted to show you this. This I made these little baskets right here. And these white ones I got at Target Dollar Spot, and I attached them to a paper towel roll so I can hold paints. This one I did the paper towel roll, and I did these from Dollar Tree so that I could, let me go over here and show you. Those will hold these on a party table so that I can put beads, 4 things of beads, so that the kids can use those for doing their beads. And so I made those. That's a great craft organizing idea. All right, and then you've seen this area here. I have all my Dollar Tree and craft projects here, wood projects in one, flower projects in another, and then Dollar Tree stuff, mirrors, just all of my stuff that I don't want to show, and it looks nice and pretty. Now, this is how I organize all of my flowers. I think it works perfectly, and it is so pretty. And I got this Fresh Flower Market sign. It's just cardboard. I got that at Dollar General and just stuck that up there. And now it looks like a little flower market behind my door. And I have these shutters that I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with them yet, and these baskets and bins that I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with. And I'm sorry about the fan because it holds my door open, and it used to before I got the new air conditioner, it used to keep me nice and cool in here, but we got a new air conditioning. Alright guys, you've seen how I organize and how cute I think this is. As you can tell, these are the cooling racks from Dollar Tree. This is a spice rack I painted white, and I just think it's super cute on a budget. I think it's super awesome. And the most expensive item in this office is probably this chair, because from Sam's Club it was $1.89, but I splurged on it because I had cash rewards from Sam's Club. And this is a pillow that I made with my silhouette and the lemon drying mat from 99-cent store, and I just sewed a this is a towel from Dollar Tree in the card area, and I put that on the back. I think it's super cute. I have not stuffed it with stuffing yet, but it is super cute. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this craft room organizing video, and I hope you think my room is super duper cute. I love it and think it's awesome, and I will see you later in the next video.